Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game-changer in the world of roofing materials, the Sasylvia 6-inch x 33 feet self-stick roll roofing panels. Let's get right into it. So, what makes this self-stick roll roofing stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, it's crafted from high-quality butyl rubber, ensuring durability and longevity for your roof. Plus, with its reflective aluminum surface, it offers superb heat reflection, keeping your space cool and comfortable. Now, let's talk dimensions. Measuring in at 6 inches in width and a whopping 33 feet in length, this roll provides ample coverage for your roofing needs. And at just 0.05 inches thick, it's slim yet mighty, offering excellent adhesion and waterproofing capabilities. But where can you use this versatile roofing material? The possibilities are endless. From metal roofing panels to plastic roof panels, dormer and porch roofs, and even small commercial or farm buildings, this self-stick roll is up for the challenge. Plus, it's perfect for patching asphalt roofs or repairing metal surfaces. Now, let's talk about installation. It's crucial to ensure the base surface temperature is above 5 degrees Celsius for optimal bonding strength. Additionally, make sure the base layer is dry and clean before application. And if you encounter rough surfaces, a quick repair with cement mortar will do the trick. Keep in mind, folks, this roll roofing material shouldn't be used with waterproof materials containing certain organic substances. So, be sure to double-check compatibility before application. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the Sasylvia self-stick roll roofing panels. With its premium materials, easy application, and wide-ranging applications, it's a must-have for any roofing project. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your source for honest reviews that help you make informed purchasing decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time, happy roofing!